Hello, creative friends. It's Eugenia from Art Maltemis Atelier, and today it is Friday and Friday night. I'm recording. I will probably post it during the coming week. And I decided to do something experimental completely. I was Everything started from watching a video with modeling paste and acrylics, and I thought it was amazing artist. This girl, she was doing amazing pieces with modeling paste and her acrylics, abstract but really nice. So I got inspired, and I questioned myself: can I use modeling paste with watercolors or with Brusho? So I went and I purchased this modeling paste. It's a basic one, and I just got some watercolor paper that it's not very amazing, just very basic. And yeah, I decided to do something. So I got my palette knife and some modeling paste, and I've done all of these. As you can tell, yeah, really rough and abstract. So let's see now how it behaves on with Brusho. I'll do it today with Brusho, and then we'll see. Maybe I'll try it with watercolors too. For the moment, I thought to go ahead and see what I can do here with Brusho. So I think I put a little bit too much water, maybe. So I'm gonna just so yeah, what are the ingredients here? Materials I have. I'm not quick ingredients. Yeah, the other materials I've got here is a clean paper towel, 2 jars of clean water, my spritz bottle, some nylon brushes, and obviously my regular one. I chose to use today the gold Brusho and the iridescent flash, and also some crimson, turquoise, and green leaf. And we'll see how we go. So maybe I will start with. Yeah, definitely. I will start with my crimson. Yeah, I've wet my paper for good. I will probably gonna have to add a bit more water as it goes. I am going to okay, put some sprinkles there. It looks like that. I'm gonna have to spray a bit more. And this is the turquoise. Experiment. It might nothing come up. Maybe nothing comes up. Maybe something. We'll see. Maybe it is a little bit too strong, the colors that I have put. Yeah, a few sparkles. Why not? Yeah, I think I've put a lot of color there, maybe more than what I should. And let's make some mess with my spritz bottle. I'm actually spraying from a distance. Now let's make it run. Here's some interesting situations. Can't say that I'm amazed, but I like this situation here. Let's go the other way. Well, modeling paste and Brusho. First attempt. Who knows what's else I'm gonna inspire here to do. I think with the Brusho that's enough. Maybe. Yeah, that's definitely enough. The brush. It is very strong. The colors. Where is the Yep, metallics. I should get some metallics here. Happening. Okay. Let's get this one. So the subtle art one. It's just handy here. Let's reactivate them quickly. I should have done it earlier. I didn't think though that I might use them. And what else I've got here? This. Maybe I should have used that for. Yeah. Anyway, let's see what else we can do here. I would really like to have some gold. Maybe I rushed it and it's not even completely dry. The modeling paste. Okay, I am always impatient. Okay, apparently what happened now, as I sprayed all of this water for my Brusho to explode, I've have reactivated the actual paste, and it's gone really easy. It's lifting, it's changing its shape. So I have to stop now, wait to dry, and then I will come back and start putting some highlights. And I will try to put watercolors and metallic watercolors, and we'll see what happens and how it holds it and how it behaves. But for the moment, yep, as we can tell here with the water, gets soggy. Okay, so we'll let it dry and we'll be back soon. So there we are again now. It's dried and I think it's workable a bit. I might not keep it this way. I might keep it that way. Actually, I'm gonna turn it this way. It's abstract, so I didn't start this with having something in my mind. I just started it. So I might do a landscape this way, maybe reflection, I don't know. uh let's start with whatever we feel like, and not much thinking. And the part that I like is that you can actually throw some watercolors on them. Interesting. So I think that's it. I turned it into a landscape with some reflections on imaginary water. Um, Nothing is pretty clear. Um, I want to put a little bit a little bit extra shine. And highlight the paste. There's lots of texture. They're creating a very interesting background. You could translate it as mountains, ripples on the water, logs, rocks, um, just interesting texture, clouds here. I love highlighting them with gold. Even the trees. So now I'm doing like a dry and dry, because I don't want to reactivate the paint underneath. And I think that's it. And yeah, that's an experiment. A very colorful experiment after all. I don't mind it. I've enjoyed it. Hopefully, you enjoyed it, or maybe I have inspired you. Who knows? I would love to know if it inspired you. This is my goal, to inspire people, and myself too. So if I have inspired you, please let me know at the comments below. So it's very exciting when I hear these comments. The other day, yeah, there was a lovely lady, left me a comment that I inspired her, and she actually made my day. and my day. And also I came to start painting again straight away because it gives me some inspiration too and motivation. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully I have inspired you, have triggered something, and you create something amazing. Let me know. And if you enjoy this, or if you learned something, if you have any good feeling about this video, please don't forget to like it and click the notification bell so every time we are uploading a new video you getting notified. um Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and hopefully we'll see you soon at my next video. Till then, be happy, be creative, and keep painting. Bye for now.